bagong season. Kumusta yung preparation ng Ginebra?
Well, excited kami, no? Another season, another opportunity for us and of course, masaya kami na makabalik ulit sa the game that we love. So far, okay naman yung preparation namin. May mga bagong players, but sana mapabayin namin sila sa sistema namin, sa culture namin.
Malaking kawalan si Jamie. Mararamdaman yun once na start yung season.
For sure, no. Although sa practice din nararamdaman na namin na yun nga yung kakulangan na nawala sa amin si Jamie, but I think for us right now meron naman kaming mga guys na who can step up, especially a healthy Maya. No, we're expecting na more role kay Maya, and of course we're praying na healthy siya palagi kasi sobrang kailangan namin siya ngayon. And yun nga, may mga players na mag-step up, everyone sa amin, no? Not just one, but I think the whole team should step up. Kasi yung ginagawa ni Jamie sa amin, hindi lang din kaya ng isang tao. So it's a total team effort for us.
Pati si Sunny na balitaan namin pinag-renovation mo sa bahay. Kamusta lang si Sunny yung bahay?
Well, nakikita ko sa kanya, no, from grassroots talaga, no, talagang nagsimula sa, yung parang ako, nakita ko sa kanya, nagsimula from wala, tapos papunta sa career na. So, I'm hoping na magtuloy-tuloy and magkaroon siya ng more opportunity sa amin. And yun, kami as veterans, no, on and off the court, kung anong may tutulong namin sa mga new guys namin. So, tinishare namin. Wala naman so far. Yun lang, sana healthy throughout the season.
Nakapagpahinga na after Gilas?
Oh, of course, malaking bagay yung pahinga after Gilas and spend time with my family. So, malaking relief para this coming season, fresh start para sa akin.
How is it important for you na mapanalo yung championship, considering it's historical significance of the
Well, I think lahat ng teams, yun yung goal, no, to win the championship. But it's not easy, no. We all know this conference, All Filipino Cup, the hardest conference sa mga each team. So we'll see, no. I think gawin lang namin yung best namin day by day, one game at a time, and it's all about sa preparation. So I think if mag-prepare kami, we prepare like a champion sa practice, I think madadala namin sa mga games. So the result will take care of itself.
Paano yung dadalhin yung never say die spirit?
Ano po?
Paano yung dadalhin yung never say die spirit ng Ginebra?
Well, lagi naman naming dala-dala yan, no, every game, no. Talagang yung puso namin, every game naglalaro kami. Never say die attitude for the fans, no, for our families, no. Alam namin wearing this jersey, malaking obligation and responsibility sa team na to. So sana madala namin every game and para matuwa yung mga fans sa amin. So matagal na rin kaming hindi nakapag-champion, no. I think it's enough to us na maging hungry this coming season. So sana makuha ulit, but ang goal muna namin is day by day, game by game, at hopefully makarating sa finals. And ilan lang? Yeah, I think 2 years last namin Bay Area. Tapos dalawang championship ba na natalo? 3 sa Tokentex, no? So I think yun, maging motivation sa amin yun na sana makarating ulit sa finals and makuha namin, no? Matapos namin yung conference na champion.
Ano ba yung mga adjustments or bagong sistema na ina-apply nyo ngayon to remain competitive?
Well, for us, no, wala namang bagong system. It's the same system, no. I think we more on we have to buy in more sa system. We have to be more perfect sa system and improve yung system, yung namin, yung ginagawa namin. So overall naman wala namang binago. It's up to us, no, it's all about execution para sa amin.